guys, and today I'm doing a pack opening video on my phone, and it's gonna be this new game I have. So it's FIFA Ultimate Team pack opening. Oh, new players added. Alright, that's just a little notification there. Saying there's new team to see. Right, let's open some of these. So let's go, but there's like Team of the Week packs, and I have to open some of these. Come on, give me something good. What? Guys, comment down below if you've ever heard of that person. I've never heard of them in my life. Guess right now, guys, who it is? Chiellini. I don't have Chiellini. Why have Chiellini? Oh, and I got an inform and Torre. Right, they're all new, guys. So who can we get? So first we can get. So the good players is we can get that are available. This week we got Young, he's okay. Kolasinac, he's okay. Ter Stegen, Martins, Cavani, and Higuain. They're good. So let me go here and discard these. Open packs. There's my kitty cat Jess. Right, so left back. No, I don't need Kieran Gibbs. He had a transfer as well, so yeah. Who's that? Oh, Grimaldo. Okay. Comment down below, guys, to see if you want to know if I've got any. Oh, I just completed Brighton. That's Stevens I needed. Comment down below if you think that what other videos I should do. On what other, apps. So, yeah. And I have some shout-outs to do in this video. And they go to Hunting Hornets, Vashash, Mr. Perfect Dan, Jaden Alloway, I think, and Solstice 17. Alright, so yeah, please check them out. So who's that? Alisa? Oh, Rodrigo. $5,000. Let's buy Bakayoko. Come on, give me someone. Oh, yes. Right, we got someone good. Yes, guys, it's Mertens. Yes. It's Mertens, isn't it? Yes, guys. That's going to really help. That's going to really help me, actually. I've got new Mertens. Okay. It's decent. So I just need to play so much more, guys. So, yeah. We got a pretty terrible pack. Also, I've seen this thing where lots of people, even my friends, they're trying to do diss tracks on each other. Because Solstice 17, if you didn't know, also shout out to Oscar England. He actually disliked all of Kieran's Hunting Hornets videos. And so he's going to do. So Sully did a diss track on Kieran, and Mr. Perfect Dan is gonna do a diss track on Sully. So let me know down in the comments section down below. Should I do a diss track or should I not? If I do, give me some lines because I'm not that good of a rapper. Just give me some like lines or tips or something. So that's right. So I have Politano. Right. What do you want this? What do you want? Exactly. Yes. No. Yep. Okay. Alright, guys. So I think in a minute I might have to stop a bit. Yeah?
What are you doing?
Go and talk around his face.
What game are you playing?
FIFA pack. So I might have to stop a bit. I'll do one after. And I'll combine them. I'll try to, because I've got an Android.
Who's the best code you got today?
88 Inform Mertens.
Oh, is he a new one for you?
Yep.
He's team of the week. Who's the best person in team of the week?
91 Higuain.
What have I got him?
That'd just be really funny. Who's that? Fernandez.
The tablet doesn't have any charge. Oh, actually, I've got something to tell you. My name is 21. Actually, at dinner today, no, at lunch, someone was telling Harry off. No, at dinner he was telling Harry off, and I said, I've got one thing to tell you. My name is Jeff.